Let me take up Adani Ports. Well, we have a slew of brokerages this morning who have, in fact, spoken about their view on the kind of traction that the company has seen. But let me get in Anushi to tell us a little more about what's the latest on the analyst front. Anushi.
Right, Agam. So as you see, 3 brokerage notes came out on Adani Ports, which imply about a 17 to 21% of upside over here. A couple of reasons that they have cited. Now, if you come to Motilal Oswal, they say that the company had recorded about highest ever of its cargo volumes and expect the company to exceed the volume guidance of 400 million metric tons that they have given in the FY24 itself. Again, they're also building on the strong infrastructure and the kind of logistic business growth that they have been seeing. So that is on Motilal. While coming to Citi also has maintained Adani Port at its top pick in the infrastructure space. Consider the management guidance they're giving and seeing that they are also again reaffirming that they are going to expect to increase this. Again, another strong traction remains on the logistic business, wherein they have about a 12% of market share in their container train operations. And lastly, when we come to HSBC, again, the similar reason on the company exceeding its overall cargo volume guidance. But what they are also forecasting is that they have raised the EBITDA forecast by about 1 to 4% on the expectation of higher port throughput assumptions, and also expect the ROIC, that is the return on investment capital, to rise from 10% in last year to 16% by the FY26 fiscal year end. So these are a couple of strong reasons that they are seeing for Adani Ports going forward based on the revised volume guidance that the company has come out with.
Okay, that's your brokerage view on Adani Ports. Sharmila, if I can start the conversation with Adani Ports, how are you seeing things pan out for this one?
Well, definitely, I think as we've been hearing in the note, ports as a business is a very interesting space to be in, given the fact that, even as what we've been hearing that cargo volumes, etc., are expected to go up. My only concern with Adani Ports would be the valuations that the stock is at. Yes, I think there are a lot of positives that remain to be played out in the next couple of years. But at the moment, I think the valuations are a tad bit on the higher side. So that would be my only caveat. I think maybe another stock that you could also look at in sort of in the ports business where valuations, to my mind, look a little better could be JSW Infra. But, having said that, both are stocks that I like. And I think if you want to buy Adani Ports, you can do that. But maybe you should stagger your buying because, given how market is and given their valuations, maybe you could see the stock correct a little bit from here.
Okay. Well, that's your view on Adani Ports, and also would want to offer a standard disclaimer that the channel that you're watching, NDTV Profit, is also an Adani Group entity. In fact, that's an AMG Media Networks Limited.